My main specialty is gastroenterology, and the reason I got into this specialty is it really gives us an opportunity to help people. Many of the diseases we see are very treatable, specifically these days with new advances in treatment, and it mixes that with a technical ability to do endoscopy, so to look into the body with cameras and telescopes. I think all of us go into medicine with a view that we wish to help people, to improve their quality of life, to make a difference when they're suffering sometimes from very difficult conditions. And what attracted me to gastroenterology is that's really very possible. Gastroenterology conditions, stomach conditions, affect a wide number of people, and increasingly we can help not just alleviate symptoms, but are nearing cures in some of the conditions that historically were very difficult to treat, and that's very exciting. It's really important to understand when people come to see me that I understand they're worried. They're probably worried they have something extremely serious wrong with them. They're worried about what I'm going to suggest we do in terms of investigations. And I think being empathetic as a physician and trying to put yourself as much as possible in the patient's shoes and to understand how they feel is a really important part of every interaction that we have with patients. Most people are coming to me either with bowel symptoms, which is sometimes very difficult for people to discuss, unpleasant indigestion, abdominal pain. But the common theme in all of this is it really affects people's quality of life, and if we're able to make a difference to those symptoms, that's very rewarding. I think patients are always hopeful that they're being seen in an environment of quality and safety by an expert in their area, who's not just an expert, but somebody who understands their concerns and is able to both treat, recognize, understand, and be empathetic with them in their interactions. But that also requires you to have the skill to do the things in a skillful, comfortable way. And it must be a combination of all of those things, because that's what I would look for myself.